Hello everyone, this is Kiku Sharda.
This is Rajiv Kumar.
This is Jelnaz Irani, friends.
And today I have a very important question for you. What is so special about heroes? Who are the real heroes of the world? Do they have a special attire, wearing capes and suits? Well, I would say the ones who save our lives are the heroes.
We have those gems in the form of doctors who always believe in the true well-being of the society, and I salute to all those doctors from the bottom of my heart.
Yes, it's fair to say that not all heroes wear capes and suits, but some of them wear white clothes. Today we honor and thank our doctors for their selfless service and their never-ending spirit for healthy well-being of our nation.
Wishing all the doctors
A very happy
Doctors' Day.
thank you.